Hi guys, so here is a 4-mark GCSE question. We have a car that travels for 18 minutes at an average speed of 72 km per hour. Now we want to know how far will the car travel in these 18 minutes. As you can see, the speed is equal to what? The distance over the time. Here the distance is in kilometer and the time is in hour. So let's write down this equality. So speed is distance over time, right? Now, from this equality, if we want to know the distance, because they want to know how far will the car travel in these 18 minutes, so we want to know the distance. Therefore, we multiply both sides by t, and t are going to cancel out. We're going to get that distance is equal to speed times time, right? So the distance is equal to the speed times the time, right? So this is distance. Now, in our problem, the distance d is going to be what? The speed, which is 72 km per hour. 72 km per hours. So let me write it like this: kilometer over hour times the time. However, the time here is not in hours, it's in minutes, right? So 18 minutes is what? 18 minutes over 60 minutes, right? So this fraction is our time in hour. Therefore, this one is going to be equal to 72 kilometer over hour times 18 over 60 is 0.3, right? Hours. Then we can cancel out hours here. Hours and hours are going to cancel out. And we're going to be left with 72 times 0.3 kilometers. And that gives us 21.60 kilometers. And that is our answer here. Now, the part B is saying David says that 72 kilometers per hour is faster than 20 meters per second. We want to know if David is correct, right? Now, let's write it down. 72 kilometers per hour, right? And then here we have 20 meters per second, right? We need to convert 72 kilometers into meters, right? So that gives us 72,000 meters, right? And we need also to convert hours, 1 hour, in seconds. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Therefore, if we multiply by 60 again, we're going to get 3,600 seconds, right? So basically, this one here is the same as this one. Now we want to simplify. So here, if we divide by 100, these two zeros are going to cancel out. And we're going to be left with 720 over 60. And that gives us 20 meters per second. As you can see, 72 km per hour is the same as 20 meter per second. It's the same speed. And therefore, David is not correct, because David says that 72 km per hour is faster. And it's not faster. Rather, it's the same speed. Therefore, David is not correct. And that is our final answer.